Kagaya ang ihi alam, uy, alam si ihi kanila o shim. Ang step ma ko siya daw, eh, mahi mo. Alam si siya. No, no. I'll change in my room first and come. Yeah. I don't want to wear heels. Like they mean what they say. They don't lie. Aries men, they don't lie. They mean what they say. But the problem is that are you gonna be able to entertain them because they get bored easily? Are you going to be able to stimulate them mentally, emotionally, physically? Like, because if you cannot stimulate them, they will find that satisfaction somewhere else. So you gotta be as quick as they are, but understand that everything that they say, they mean it at the moment. It really was just for the moment, and that's something you gotta understand. Whatever they say, in the heat of the moment, they meant that. It's completely valid. But after that, if they do something else, they meant that too. Uy, ba't di lo mo ng po'y hello te? You are like super hot. Via I've dated 3 Libras in my life. I feel like Libra men are great. I mean, I love Libra energy. Libra mi pa hi sumo diktok thekon an charming thought ingpot an ti ti pui thea an bulom te hinoma an comfortable. Hey, thil ingpo soi la min soi pui thei vek mi judge te hian nei lo ta an bulom hian nuam ka ti to mo Libra mi pa so dik tak soi chuan ingpo ka ti pui pe hey ho rua su borbor nai pon ice cream e yang ti pon min kal pui me enge ka soi thiam lo an ol sam an har sa lo ma sengin an ler tani chu wang chuan an du ber ni thei lo mo an tan ber om thei lo chu wang chuan in an number 1 ani thei lo an number 1 ni du chuan in games na sa dewa play angai game na sa dewa play ni one number 1 ani thei tu ni me mental stimulation an mamo mentally stimulate lo chuan Libra mi pai ni thei lo okay emotions mangin an sway thei lo emotions thei nga tan man ti lo ti han an la ma ten ching koi me me yang chu ban chuan in they don't care you have to stimulate them emotionally. That's it. Hi, Nat. Aquarius mi bahi and loyal well, they are a fixed sign. They have loyalty in their heart, but it is very hard to earn their loyalty. Anrin omna ne har sa he all someday win and they may maintain though they are very hard to obtain, they are very hard to maintain, and it is very difficult to earn their trust as well. You need to be very real and authentic to earn an Aquarius respect. Aquarius ina respect le arvin na you have to be very special and real. Hey, if you are fake as fuck, they will know. They will know. They can always tell. They're very smart. They're very smart. They're very smart. So, also Aquarius men have a reputation of being aloof and distant. That is very true. They're not that romantic at all, but they can be romantic, but they choose not to. Remember that. Aquarius men have this thing where they love bomb you. You know, like these men love to love bomb. Yeah, they would love bomb you for sure. What about the Scorpion? I mean, Scorpios are good. I mean, they're not bad. They're not bad, but like, you gotta be careful with a Scorpio because they will sting you. This we all know the Scorpios will sting you. They're very vengeful. But there's no need to be afraid of Scorpios if you are a good person, if you are good to them. But if I'm Scorpio, oh, I thought you were a Libra. Okay, anyway, I'm like undressing while I'm on live. This is super weird. This is super weird. Now, Scorpio men, these men know how to be romantic. They can be very, very romantic. Like, they will take good care of you if they love you. If they are not being generous and romantic towards you, that means they don't really like you. They're not that into you. Miguel, there is no such thing as I'm not a romantic person. Like, if they love you enough, they will become romantic for you. And that's it. And that's it. And that's it. Capricorn and Sagittarius compatibility. Okay, this is tricky. this is tricky because usually they can't stand each other. Like, this is like enemies to lovers type. No, they can't stand each other, but they're so different that it works, you know. Andang lamluto ka, anin opposite luto ka, somehow it works. Because it works because opposites attract, right? Sagittarius are like super fiery and Capricorns are like a brick. They have old man syndrome. All Capricorns have this old man syndrome. You know, they like to take things slow and stuff like that. But yeah, this can work, but the levels of workability is very questionable. It depends on your other placements and how much you like each other. If the Sagittarius is emotionally available, it can work. But most of the time, Sagittariuses are not emotionally available, and so are Capricorns. Okay. I mean, I'm not saying that all Sagittariuses are emotionally unavailable, but they usually are. They have been burned before. All Sagittarius has a story to tell you how they have been burned before. And even if they have been burned just once, they will carry it inside their heart and wear it like a medal and tell everyone how they have been unfortunate in their lives. And people don't realize that Sagittariuses have experienced heartbreak because they see Sagittarius as happy-go-lucky people, and they are so blessed to have the life that they have, to have fortune in their life, just because they are always happy. And they don't seem to struggle with a lot of things. Just because they don't say that they're not struggling doesn't mean that they're not struggling. Most Sagittarius that I know have gone through a lot of traumatic experiences in their life, tragic experiences that people don't know about, and this makes them the way that they are on the inside. But they don't express that. They are very optimistic people. They are great people to hang around with. Capricorn, on the other hand, very different from terrorists. Yeah. Capricorns are very stoic most of the time. You don't see a jolly Capricorn. You only see a happy-go-lucky Capricorn girl if they see you as someone they can trust, like someone, a part of their inner circle, then they will become a happy-go-lucky girl with you, a happy-go-lucky person with you. Other than that, they have a resting bitch face, huge RBF, they don't trust you. Especially if you are unemployed, a Capricorn doesn't give a shit about you. Like, why are you an adult and why are you unemployed? Capricorn is judging you. Because Capricorn's whole life is about pissing off their dads. Anyway, I need to go and have my dinner. I'm going. See you guys later. Bye-bye.